We're learning more about the outbreak at a Niagara greenhouse that involves dozens of migrant workers. As Atkinson explains, one of the workers complained about feeling sick as early as a week ago.
45 workers at One Floral Group in Jordan Station have tested positive for COVID-19. The company's chief operating officer wouldn't go on camera, but said one worker complained of feeling sick last Wednesday. That worker was taken to the hospital in St. Catharines for a COVID-19 test. The positive result came back the next day. Most of the other employees at the facility, many of them migrant workers, were tested on Thursday, and an additional 44 positive cases were confirmed.
As of yesterday and again this morning, there weren't any hospitalizations from what we're told. And I think most of those that were testing positive weren't showing symptoms, so most were asymptomatic.
One Floral Group is working closely with Niagara Public Health, but the medical officer of health wasn't available for an interview today, and public health officials refused to name One Floral Group as the company dealing with an outbreak, instead referring CHCH News to a tweet that was put out yesterday. But the company and the town of Lincoln wanted the name made public.
For us it was important, and I think for One Floral it was important to get the name of the organization where this occurred out there, so that people were aware of it. I think our job's to build trust, and I think if we're not sharing as much information as possible, that doesn't lend itself to that kind of trust conversation.
Workers at the facility are still being tested today, and the town expects even more cases. The company says all of its office staff have tested negative for the virus. Atkinson, CHCH News, Jordan Station.